Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can personalize your WhatsApp chat themes individually. So if you wish every WhatsApp chat had its own unique look, now you can change the themes individually for each conversations, dark, light, or colorful. And this is how you can do it step by step. So first, you can just open the WhatsApp applications and start by opening the chat you want to personalize. Here, let's say I want to personalize this chat here. And here, what you need to do is just tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then choose this option, chat theme. So now you can just choose your theme. You can see these options. You can choose the themes from the presets here provided by WhatsApp, or you can also customize on your own. You can change the chat color and also change the wallpaper to with the images that you want. So let's say in here I'm going to just use the themes preset from WhatsApp. Let's say I'm going to use this one. Click on a theme that you want to use and you'll see the preview. You can see, you can swipe to see the other themes and how it will look like. And when you are choosing the theme, you can also change the bubble chat color in here. Let's say you want to use this theme but you don't like the bubble chat color, you can click on this dot in here and you can choose the color that you prefer, and here it will follow the color that you selected, and you can just tap on the check icon. You can also click on this moon icon to change it into or adjust the brightness of the theme. And when you're done, you can click on a check icon, click on set theme, and when you go back, now the chat theme will be changed and it will be different for other chats. So when you open another conversations like this, as you guys can see, it will look different like the one that I set before. So that's pretty much all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you, and now your WhatsApp will be look better than ever. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.